Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can generate AI art from our own photos. And you can also generate AI art with the help of text. So you can write any text and then press generate button, and that art or photo will be generated. You can see some of examples here. You can generate photos like this. So now we will try to generate AI art from our own photos. So let me upload my photo. So I have uploaded my photo. Now we can select any image that we like, and we will press try button. So suppose we want to create photo like this. So now we can press generate button to generate photos from this image. So here we have uh, our photo turned into Spider-Man, and you can see quality of image is looking very good. And from here you can save this image. So image is saved into our phone's gallery. Now we will try to generate photo from some other AI art. We can also write prompt ourselves, but if we want some example we can check these photos and then press try button to generate our photos like this AI arts. So suppose will try this. So let's press generate button. So here we have astronaut photos uh, remixed with our own photo, but I think it's not looking that good. So I will try generating with some other photo. So let's try this one. So here we have astronaut in rose garden, but I think they have turned this photo into female version. So now we will try to generate some other photo. Let's write prompt ourselves. So you can write uh, Joker. I think it's looking amazing. So I will save it for now. So now we will try to turn ourselves into let's turn into bodybuilder. You can select other option. Yeah, this one is looking good, but face is changed. So let's try to generate some other. So let's try to turn ourselves into Batman. So only half face is visible, but some results are good, some are not that good. So that's how you can create AI art from your own photos. So this is a paid version of this app. If you try a free version by searching it on Play Store, you can search Imagine Go. Then you can download that app on first number, and you can generate up to 10 images in free version. So thanks for watching. If you have any other question, you can ask in comments.